In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a quote using Zoho Books. Whether you're just starting out with Zoho Books or you're looking to refresh your skills, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see a variety of options. From there, navigate to Sales and then click on Quotes. This is where you'll find all the quotes you've previously created or would like to create. Now, to initiate a new quote, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the plus new button. This will open up a fresh blank quote form for you to fill in all the necessary details. Let's dive into the quote details. Begin by selecting your customer. If you've already been doing business with them, you can easily select their name from the drop-down menu. If it's a new customer, don't worry, you can add their details directly from here. The quote number will auto-populate for you, but you have the flexibility to change it if required for your own tracking purposes. If you have a specific reference number, now is the time to add it. This helps if there's any need to backtrack to this particular quote in the future. By default, the quote date will be set to the current date, but if you need to adjust it, you can certainly do so. Also, it's important to set an expiry date. This is simply the date until which your quote will remain valid, and it could help prompt the customer to act promptly. If relevant, assign a salesperson to this quote or link it to an existing project. This makes it much easier to manage and follow up later. Next, it's time to add the items you're quoting. Within the item table, select the items or services that you're offering to the customer. For each item, be sure to specify the quantity and the rate accurately. Keep in mind that offering any discounts, taxes, or shipping charges here can provide a more comprehensive view of the total cost to your customer. As you approach the final steps, consider adding any customer notes and your terms and conditions in the designated fields. Customer notes can provide additional context or instructions, while clear terms and conditions can prevent misunderstandings down the line. Don't forget, if there are any files relevant to this estimate, you have the option to attach them directly here. Finally, take a moment to review everything and ensure all the information is correct. Once satisfied, you have two options. You can click Save as Draft if you'd like to review or complete it later, or choose Save and Send to immediately email it to your customer. With that, you've successfully created and sent a quote using Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.